people, I hope you are doing well. So today I decided to make the Arabic wax, the recipe that a lot of you asked me to put another time in my YouTube channel, because I have already done one recipe that reached 500,000 views. A lot of you don't master the ingredients, so today I will show you the exact ingredients that you will need for this Arabic wax. I want to tell you that this is the best Arabian method to prepare the Arabic wax at home. So for that you will need 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, half lemon, and small teaspoon of salt. So we will need a pan and a wood spoon. Put the glass of sugar, the half cup of water, and squeeze the lemon like this. And put the salt, mix very well. So this is the good color. I will turn off the gas. Take a little bit of water and spread it like that. And put your wax like this. Sorry guys, I will change the plate because this one is very small. So now that it's a little bit cold, I will try to use my fingers. Just keep doing these movements until the wax becomes this color, yellow, like gold color. So we can see now that the wax is ready for use. Look like. I will use it for my armpit hair. Sorry, for my hand hair. Okay, so it's like this.